What we're doing here today is air sealing all of our top plates and penetrations up in the existing attic. There's a lot of energy loss through top plates and penetrations, as well as can lights. This will much improve your efficiency of your home and air seals your entire attic. Along with that and insulation, you got your best insulation package you could possibly have. That's a 10 mat cover there. That's made to cover up recessed lighting. It's also fire rated so it can't catch on fire. That air seals around every can light, which is about 60% of your loss in an attic, that and top plates. That's a closed cell spray foam that he's sealing all those in place with. By doing this and top plates, it'll stop all the air transmission up through any wire chases within interior and exterior walls.